really value my vision and my eyeballs, and I just wasn't going to have any vision center cut into my eyes. And the more I read, the more I researched, your name, like everybody said, just keeps coming up. And actually, I come from a family where my father and my sister had both had LASIK eye surgery, and neither one of them could recommend the doctor they use. And actually, my sister is my twin sister, and she would say, don't go to him. And so I knew those two were out of the question here in town, and they both live here in Nashville. And so I just said, I want the best. I'm willing to try. And I called the office. I wasn't sure, because my vision is not that bad. I was only negative 1.25, but I still had to wear contacts, and I'm really active. And I don't like contacts. They really bother my eyes when I bike or when I go hiking. So I called the office, and I am super thorough. I asked them 100 questions, and they answered every single one of them. And I didn't make an appointment yet. I thought about it for a while, and because my vision isn't that bad. But a few days later, I called back and I asked a million more questions, and they answered them all perfectly. I mean, they were so thorough and so honest. I appreciated it so much. And I went to the seminar and I learned all about it. And I made my appointment, the day after the seminar. And the whole process was just incredible. Everybody was so friendly, thorough, honest. It gave me so much confidence. I know Dr. Wang knows this. I'm a coward. I was so nervous when I walked in here. I bet I was white as a ghost, and everybody kept encouraging me and reassuring me. One thing they kept saying over and over again was, what other questions do you have? What other questions do you have? And I just kept coming up with them forever, and they answered every single one of them. But I had the surgery on Friday, June the 8th, and on Saturday, June the 9th, my vision was 20/20. When I woke up that Saturday, I actually stayed with my parents because my husband and I, we have 2 cats, and I was so excited to wake up, and I made my mother hold things up around the house, and I would run to the other side of the house and tell her like what cereal box she was holding up and everything. And my appointment on Saturday, my vision was 20/20, and I just kept feeling like my vision got better and better as the days went by. And sure enough, today, here a month later, it's 20/10. I don't know whether to laugh or cry when I can see things like so far away. License plates and the details when I'm outside is just incredible. So as far as the process goes, if you're afraid of the physical part of the process, it's not that painful, and it's over so quickly that it's not worth stressing at all. And the staff will answer any question. I mean, I ask ridiculous questions, and they answer them all so confidently that I can 100% recommend Dr. Wang, just like everybody else. And like what was said before, I wish I'd done it 5 years ago. I mean, contacts really drove me nuts. I'd have bad days because my contacts hurt me so bad. I'd have to go home from work, and immediately I'd have to take out my contacts and wear my glasses, and my eyes would hurt so bad. So thank you for what you did. And it really was, the entire experience from start to finish was incredible. So